So here's something I've been curious about the whole time I've been growing these coral bells. These two plants are siblings. They came from the same batch of seeds. They grew in the same container. They had the exact same conditions. Yet, if you look at any of the footage of these seedlings growing, you'll see that one of them was definitely the biggest and one of them was definitely the smallest the whole time. And this one here, I don't think this has actually grown in 2 months. I mean, this guy right here got put into one of these little yogurt containers the same day. And this guy was ready for a bigger container a long time ago, and this one just seems like it's stopped growing. Could that just be genetic? I have been thinking about it like the way that you'd think about puppies or piglets, that you have the runt of the litter. You have the alpha, who's the big one, who's always going to get the food first, is always going to dominate. And then you've got the little one, who's always last in line, you know, the weakling. Is it that? Is it a genetic thing? Because they've had the same conditions. And this just won't grow. I mean, is it... I can't help but wonder if it's something I'm doing wrong. But I have tried to give it just the tiniest amount of fertilizer. I gave it a little bit of Miracle-Gro. Just a teeny amount because I didn't want to overwhelm it. I thought maybe if I give it a little boost of nitrogen that it would do something. And it didn't do anything. Any opinions? Any opinions at all are welcome. But it is quite an interesting comparison though, isn't it?